it's your girl Ari from Ari Talks, and this is Talk TV. And today we're going to do this spicy noodle challenge, and you know your girl got to be the chef. So we're cutting up some scotch bonnet pepper. No, so that's already what I use for him. So yeah, pray for me. So I'm going for the I'm afraid. I'm literally afraid. And I'm here to eat. This looks super hot though. Like the shape of it, the shape of this pepper, just the shape alone look very hot. You know when you go in a movie, I see the long pepper here with the shape, they look hot. You safe?
Yeah man, it's safe, I'm not dead.
It's legal. I really don't think this is legal. I like it.
Yeah, people see pepper them. My God.
These are Jamaican special Scotch bonnet. Scotch bonnet peppers.
Yeah man, you just inhale the pepper them. What?
Alright, so now look, as you can see, the water is boiling, and we about to add the noodles into this. Yeah. So yeah. Guys, when you're making noodles, make sure you take out the package.
If I want to put shirts down, if I want to put shirts.
Oh. Yeah, I'm a chef. I've been a chef. I've been a chef, you know. From longer days, it's in my blood. Yeah, so you gather your packages together. Obviously I don't want a heart attack, so I'm not going to use all of these. I probably use 3 or 4, but none of one of these. Because the one that could taste tonight. Even though I don't think we'll be able to taste anything. The same dog. No, the family can't do the same. Put all them in there.
Well, I'm thinking, well, we'll probably wait till it boils for it, but I don't know. This is crazy, guys. This is so crazy. No, wait, let me think about it. What does the people put them in there? Yes or no? Hey, if we can't eat it, we don't eat it, we don't understand, alright?
True.
Anything I do, the way I do. We don't know what I do.
True.
Sorry. Make sure I'm in the India as well.
Yeah. Why? This is bubbling up. Somebody I got dead. No, sir. I really wicked.
Me I got near me too. Who me wicked to know me damn self.
Yes, some people see 4 big old pepper and something. Boy.
Alright, that's good.
I don't know if you're going to survive this one, but I just want you guys to subscribe and share. If you subscribe and share, you know, Don't make when you have me pepper them in vain. Yo, no sir. Alright, she's stirring it up now. Yeah man. I'll be a thing, watch the fire ready now. Right now pepper hotter than the fire. Woi. Look, you want more water good. It look good, no?
Yeah, it look good, but more water.
Alright. So we're gonna add some more water. Yow. Then we can cool the pepper. Now,
oh guys, if you want a chef to hire for your spicy noodle challenges, just hit me up. Hit me up. If I'm still alive.
after this one.
Yeah. You're supposed to solve it.
Well, I don't know now. I don't know how this one look dangerous.
It's very dangerous.
Dangerous. Yeah man. Very also you can check out playlist on the channel. You know we got a lot of videos stacked up right on the playlist. Yeah.
Go check out Ari Talks, you know, Talk Up TV, you know.
Yeah.
Check them out.
For real.
Check them out. Good content.
Yeah man.
You don't see people doing dumb stuff like this every day.
Whoa. Alright, my subscribers, viewers, watch there. Now let's smell the pepper right now.
Hey.
Why? The pepper hot now.
You can add little seasoning to it now.
You can add them now. It look like it up on this. So put in the season time. Yeah, see the next 3 pepper them that we can't go no further. We not so bad. Or we not so suicidal.
We just that little bit suicidal.
Just a little, you know.
Just a little. You know, that's suicidal. A woman is afraid. I feel heat for my hand.
A lie.
I mean, I know which one me I feel.
If I pepper eat I
Burn. You know the thing? I feel like I could have put the 4 of them in there now, but more and tasty.
before.
Yeah, but there's a dilemma.
You don't want to taste it. That's it. You feel like you want to taste it, you feel like you don't want to taste it.
Go there now. I think you go there now.
I don't know.
No make it soggy, take it off now.
Wait. Oh, I hope we survive this one.
Nice, no?
It
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's not gonna
This
nice.
pepper in there, it really change transform it.
You want some?
Well, I mean, let me come and do them in already feel with my life. I have a child, so you know, can't have to stay alive here.
Alright guys, I don't know what talk up Boston and place, you know, you see me? I want to say big up to all the viewers and the subscribers. You know the thing set, you see it? So, spicy noodle challenge up next, you see me? So, I'm just showing how we deal with the wicked in our kitchen and dose it with the pepper them, you understand? So, remember to check it out. It's coming soon, alright. And it's a big up to all the people that will participate in the video. Big up on yourself. Don't know the things set. You see me? Yeah man, so you know the things set already. If I take an early morning walk and I see what I'm going in that place. You can see, come on, pull them out. You see me? Alright. Bad.